Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating fact that you might not have heard before. When you sneeze, your heart actually stops for a millisecond. Now, don't panic. Your heart doesn't stop completely, but it may slow down or skip a beat. But don't worry, it's nothing to worry about. You see, when you sneeze, your body uses a burst of energy to force air out of your nose and mouth. This sudden surge of energy can cause your heart to momentarily pause, but it quickly resumes its normal rhythm. So, the next time you sneeze, remember that your heart is working hard to keep you healthy and safe.